Food waste is a big problem. It's a problem that we're having right now, and it's actually having a huge impact on the future generations. So we have to do something. I work for Too Good To Go since June 2019. I actually wanted to work for such a company that has a good cause that is related to sustainability. At Too Good To Go, we want to fight food waste, and we actually do it. We're not just an app, we're more than that, we're a movement that across 5 pillars is fighting against food waste. The goal of the workshop is for students to understand how companies, organizations and movements such as Too Good To Go's one, for example, can actually embed 1, 2 or more aspects of the Doughnut economics. For example, design to distribute and create to regenerate. And it's also a challenge for the students to understand how these 2 aspects can be improved in the future. So how the movement of Too Good To Go can implement maybe new initiatives. We want to create such a workshop that future leaders can actually benefit from, so that the leaders of tomorrow have more tools to fight with and to solve the problem. So we have to do something for our environment, and therefore Franklin University is offering such courses such as this one.